What is the difference?
So in FM, M of t is integral. We have to integrate M of t. That's the only difference.
Yes, what about others? Rajwal, can you say? Rajwal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you brief me about the relationship between FM and PM?
Yes, sir. 1 second. Yes, sir. In if you give the message signal as an integral to phase modulator, the output will come as frequency modulated output. And if you give the derivative, that is differentiation of m of t to a frequency modulator, the output is phase modulated.
But still it is not clear. See, what I expect from you people is a signal that is an FM wave, okay, corresponding to the message signal m of t is also the phase modulated wave corresponding to the integral of m of t. This is what I expect.
Okay, sir.
Huh?
So for the next one, it will be the phase modulated wave corresponding
Yeah.
to the message signal,
Yeah.
which is
M of
different
t,
m of
m of
t,
t, yeah, is
which is
also
also
frequency
a
modulated wave.
differentiated. Yes, sir.
Yeah, corresponding to
Differentiate
differentiation of the message signal.
m of, yes, sir.
Okay. Then only I think that will give something. Otherwise, the picture will not be clear. Fine. So always you can revise this because very, very important. These are the things. Yeah. I hope. So those problems, whatever I have solved, is it fine now? Some 2-3 problems I have solved, right? Based on means finding instantaneous frequency, finding modulation index, and other things. Right? Okay, so today we'll discuss about hope it is visible, now. Yes, screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'm asking you people only. People should say, is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, still strength is 25, including me. Not even 20. Okay, any doubts? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Another 1 or 2 minutes I can discuss. Yes. Yes, I am asking you people if you have any doubts related to FM, PM, so far whatever we have discussed, you can ask. If you do not have any doubts, then I will continue. or everything is doubt? Everything is in doubt? Nothing has understood? Yes, people should respond, saying nothing. Yes or no. Yes, do you have any doubts or you don't have any doubts? Is it clear? Means are you studying? Are you started studying the topics which I started teaching from module 2?
No doubt, sir. No doubt.
No doubts. No doubt.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, I expect interaction from everybody, not just one or two. Okay. At least once in a class, once or twice, you people can speak now. Vice Reyes, Diparna, others are not Vadwa. Why people can't talk?
Yes.
Should speak now. When I ask some questions, you should say yes or no, or yes sir, I have doubts on so and so topic. Can you repeat? If you don't talk all those things, then how do I assume?
Sir.
Only if you start reading, then you will get doubts, na? Yes or no? I don't know whether people have come. Those who are asking yesterday some clarification. I think they have not yet joined. I don't know. Yes, yesterday they were talking now about this internal marks. If they are there, then I can spend 2 minutes. Otherwise, I will continue with my topic. Yes, shall I continue with my topic? I hope everybody has got the message yesterday. Your first IA marks and attendance. For this also no response. Only Kuber is open to talk.
Yes, sir. We
I
received
don't
it.
know what others are doing.
Yes, sir, we have got it.
Received, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. I think let me start my topic. Okay. There is no point in wasting much time unless you ask the doubts. So my screen is visible now. Let me. Yeah, today we'll discuss about yeah. So we'll have discussion about types of FM. Okay. Types of FM. Okay, depending upon the value of modulation index. Okay, depending upon the value of modulation index, we classify the FM as narrowband FM and wideband FM. Okay. So there are two types. What I wanted to say is, one is narrowband FM. Narrowband FM. Yes, my voice is clear, or are you getting any noise? Background noise.
It's clear, sir.
Background noise is there, na?
No, sir.
No, because I made okay. So I said the narrowband FM, when the value of beta, okay, that is a modulation index, is much less than 1 radians, we say. Oh, sir. I think this won't go. Undo. Yeah, when the value of modulation index beta is much less than 1 radians, we say it is a narrowband FM. Okay, and second one is wideband FM, you say. Wideband FM. That is what WBFM. Okay. So this is when beta is much greater than 1, we say it is a wideband FM. Okay, so these are the two different types of FM we classify. Yes, is this fine? I hope you people have noted. Shall I scroll up?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, let me take the first one, that is narrowband FM. Let us have a discussion about what is narrowband FM and what is how do we express that narrowband FM mathematically, right? Narrowband frequency modulated signal. So for single tone sinusoidal modulation, we know what is the expression for FM signal, right? So, Srujan, can you say what is the expression for single tone sinusoidal modulation? Srujan? For single tone.
Sir.
Yeah, can you say what is the expression for FM? For single tone, what I am saying, for single tone, okay, sinusoidal modulation. Sinusoidal modulation means when m of t, okay, when m of t is equal to am, right, am cosine of 2 pi fmt, okay. When this is the value of m of t, what is the expression we have written for FM signal? Yes? Yes, Sujan, you should tell. What is the expression for FM signal? When m of t is this one, am cosine of 2 pi fmt. Sujan?
Sir, AC cos. Sorry, AM cos.
AM cos or AC cos?
AM cos.
No. It is AC cos. Already forgotten the expression AC. I think I have written many times this one. AC, right? Cosine of what it is? 2 pi.
2 pi FCT.
Yeah, 2 pi FCT, right? Plus what?
KF AM.
The KF AM is delta F, right? Delta F by FM. That is nothing but what? Beta. That is the modulation index, right? Beta
Sir.
into sine of what? 2 pi
FMT.
FMT. Yes, is this right? What I have written? Others can comment. Yes, is this the expression what I have done in the previous classes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Check. So 46 students all have joined. Let me see. Okay. Fine. Yes, I hope you noted now this equation.
Sir, what have you written? That is equation 1, sir.
Equation 1. Yeah.
1 is not.
Hey, what happened? Yeah, I written 1. Yeah. Is this fine?
Yes, sir.
Now, see, let me say this one as A. Okay. And this term is what? Complete as B. So let me use the trigonometric identity. What is that? What is the trigonometric identity? Cos of, it is in what form I wanted to say? It is in the form of what? Cos of
Cos of A plus B.
A plus B, right? So what is cos of A plus B? What is cos of A plus B? Ananta, can you say? Ananta?
Yes.
Yeah, cos of A plus B, man.
Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B.
Just repeat once again.
Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B.
Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Yes, is it right?
Minus sin A sin B, sir.
Huh?
Minus
Yeah,
sin A.
minus, right? What Ananta? Already you forgotten basics. Cos of A plus B.
Sir, I'm trying.
Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Minus sin A sin B. So we know what is A and B, right? So let us substitute in this and we'll rewrite the equation 1. Okay? Yeah. What we can rewrite? S of t okay, let me denote this as narrow band FM, okay? That is suffix as NB FM. Okay, NB FM indicates is a narrow band FM. Okay, so just I am using this trigonometric identity and I can rewrite the equation 1 as what? AC, right? So cos of A plus B is written as what? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Isn't it? Yes, Abhishek Reddy. Abhishek Reddy. Abhishek Reddy is there. No Abhishek Reddy. What about
Yes, sir.
Abhishek Reddy is one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you tell the equation math? I have taken first term as A, second term as B. I said it is in the form of A plus B. So I said what is the trigonometric identity? It is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So
Yes,
can you just tell me the equation so that I can write?
Cos
2
pi FCT.
Yeah, cos of 2 pi FCT. Then
cos
Ah,
beta sin 2 pi fmt.
yeah, cos of beta into sine of 2 pi fmt. Yeah,
Minus
yeah, minus I will write here. Minus,
sin sin
yeah,
of 2 pi
minus,
fct.
yeah, minus sine of what?
2 pi fct
2 pi fct
plus
plus y plus man. See, sin A is written, then sin B.
sin A.
Then what is sin B?
Sin b beta sin b
Sin of,
beta sin
yeah,
2 pi fmt.
yeah, beta into
Sin
sine of 2 pi, right?
yes, sir.
Sorry, please, something happened. I will share once again. I think it is not presenting, na?
Sir,
No,
presenting,
sir.
sir.
It is
Black
there, huh?
screen.
It is there.
Sir, now it's not presenting.
That is what I think. I will open once again. Something happened. Just bear 2 minutes. I think file has become big. I will open new file. I think next class. It is taking more time to save. Yeah, see, it has come again from beginning. Fine. So 1 minute. So if you have remembered all these things, it is easy. If you have written in your notebook, I will ask you people to show the notebook from now onwards. Okay. You know, how many of you are writing in your notebook? That is what I am getting doubt. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah, fine. I don't know, I will rub this. Yeah. Yeah. Abhishek Reddy. Yes, Abhishek Reddy.
Yes, sir.
Now this one has come back. Yeah, tell me. Sin A is over sin B. It is what? Beta and sin of?
2 pi fmt, sir.
Yeah, sin of 2 pi
Fmt.
FMT. Okay.
Sir, you're not
Sir, we can't
presenting.
see.
I'm not presenting.
No, sir.
1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, sorry. Yeah, is it fine? This one only I was writing, no? So in between, after writing sin A, sin B, something happened. Okay. I hope, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Abhishek. So let me call this as equation 2. Okay. So now let us try to further simplify this equation. Okay. So I think you all know how can we write the cos theta and sin theta? Anybody is aware what is cos theta and sin theta we can write? So it is a note, okay? So just for understanding, means I need to do some approximation in the above equation. For that, I am writing this. Okay. So note. So cos theta. Okay. Cos theta can be written as 1 minus, okay, theta squared by 2, okay, minus and so on. Okay. This can be approximated to 1. This can be approximated to 1. I will tell when it will be approximated as 1. Okay. Similarly, you can write sin theta, okay, sin theta as theta, okay, minus theta cube divided by 6, okay, minus and so on. Okay, this can be approximated as theta. Okay, this can be approximated as theta. And let me say what is theta. Okay, for my this one convenience, I say theta is beta into sine of 2 pi FMT. Okay, sine of what is theta? Beta into sine of 2 pi FMT. Okay, since this narrow band FM, what we say it is beta. What is the value of beta? We say for narrow band FM, beta is much less than 1. Na? Yes or no? Yes or no? I started with saying when the value of beta, that is modulation index, is much less than 1,
Yes, sir.
we say it's a narrow band FM. Okay. So here I can, since beta is much less than 1 now, so I can approximate this. Means what I wanted to say is when beta is much less than 1, okay, and the value of beta square, okay, will also be much less than 2, and the value of beta cube, the value of beta cube will also be much less than 6. Okay. So here theta is what? This one, beta into sine of 2 pi FMT. Means wherever cos of this beta sine 2 pi FMT can be approximated to 1. That is the meaning. Okay. Wherever sine theta means sine of what? Beta into sine of 2 pi FMT is there. That can be approximated as what? Beta into sine of 2 pi FMT. Yes, is this clear, my note? So this is the background, what we are supposed to understand. How do we approximate that? Okay. Just I will keep this in a box as an additional means for understanding it is required. Okay. So let me apply these approximations to equation 2. Okay. Yes, what I can do the approximation? I think Danya, can you say? I said cos theta will be approximated as 1, right? Danya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, based on about this one, can you tell me what is the approximation I can do for cos theta? That is cos theta in the sense what I can write cos of theta is what I can theta sine of
2 pi FMT.
Yeah, 2 pi FMT can be approximated as what? Will be approximated 1. Good. Yeah, similarly, Karunya is there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you tell me for sin theta? So here sin theta is what? Theta is this, right?
Theta, sir. Yeah, yes.
Into sine of
2 pi FMT.
FMT. Okay, this can be approximated as what, ma?
Theta, sir.
Theta means here what is theta? What is
It's
theta?
beta sine 2 pi FMT.
Yeah, beta into sine of 2 pi
2 pi
FMT. Right? So let me substitute these approximations in the equation 2. And let me rewrite the equation 2. Okay? So I hope everybody is with me. Yes, is this clear whatever I have done so far? Or
Yes, sir.
Yes, I didn't hear anything.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear? No, it is all just basic mathematics. What I am doing, cos of a plus b, just I said. Then how do we approximate? So and so thing. That is cos theta as 1 and sin theta as theta. Is this fine? Okay. Then let me rewrite the equation 2 with these two approximations. I think now somebody should help for writing this equation. Yes, I think Wadhwa, can you say? Wadhwa? Yes, Wadhwa is there? Yes, I am not able to hear. Wadhwa? No Wadhwa? Yes, Prithvi, can you say, man? Prithvi?
So it's AC into
1 minute, I will start with writing. See what I can write. Yeah. S of E, right? I said for narrow band FM. Yeah. What is the first terminal?
AC into
AC. Yeah.
so brackets cos 2 pi FCT
Yeah. AC cos of 2 pi FCT.
minus
Yeah. Next is 1, right? Cos of beta sin 2 pi FMT will be approximated to 1. Good. Then minus.
sin 2 pi FCT.
Yeah. Since I am not using bracket, I will write here AC. Right?
Yeah.
Is it fine?
Okay, sir.
AC even, yeah, I can write beta also. Beta into AC.
Sin 2 pi FCT.
Yeah. It is what? Sin of?
2 pi FCT into
2 pi FCT into
sin 2 pi FMT.
Into sin of 2 pi FMT. Okay. So let me call this as equation 3. Fine. So looking at this equation, again I can further simplify by again applying the basic trigonometry. Okay. So let me call here this term as A. Okay. And this term as B. Okay. So now that is in what? Sin A, sin B formula. I can use the trigonometric identity. I can further simplify that, right? Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, Tipana, can you say what is sin A, sin B? Tipana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what is sin A, sin B?
Sir, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B.
That's all?
By 2, sir.
By 2. Good. So, the trigonometry identity, that is what? Sin A, sin B, which is equal to what? 1 by 2, right? Cos of A minus B, okay? Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B. Okay, so let me substitute, means use this trigonometry identity in equation 3. Let me rewrite the equation 3. So for rewriting equation 3, somebody should help. Who can help? Subiksha, can you help? Subiksha?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now.
So it will be AC cos 2 pi FCT.
Yeah, let me write the first term.
Yes.
I think you can note down in your notebook also first and you can tell clearly. Yeah. S of T. Okay. Wanted to say is narrow band FM, which is equal to any of first term is not disturbed, right? Which is AC cosine of 2 pi FCT only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. AC cosine of 2 pi FCT. Yeah. Now you people should tell the next term. So apply just sin A sin B as what? Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So this can be written as what?
Minus 1 by 2 into.
Yeah, means you can say this also, no? Beta AC by 2, right?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah, minus beta AC by 2 into cosine of what?
2 pi into FC minus FM into T.
Very good. 2 pi of FC minus FM of T, right?
Minus.
Then,
Okay, plus.
yeah, see, minus into minus, it becomes plus.
Yeah, plus.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next is plus
Beta.
beta into AC by 2 cosine of,
Cos 2 pi.
oh, sorry. Yeah, cosine of cos 2 pi of FC plus
FM into T.
FM of T. Yes, is this fine?
Yes, sir.
Oh, why I wrote floor bracket is not required. Okay. So let me call this as equation 4. Let me call this as equation 4. So now, try to observe this equation, in what way it is similar or different from the equation what we have written for standard AM. Just take 1 minute time, okay? Just observe. You might have come across this type of equation, only there is some difference here and there. So is it possible to say what is the difference? Yes, I hope I am clear. I asked you people to just observe this equation and just compare this with the standard AM equation and try to say in what way this equation is different from that equation.
Sir, that 2 pi kf integral thing can be replaced by beta AC cos these terms.
Yeah, that mu into AC by 2 was there. Instead of mu here, the modulation index is beta. Fine. Then what else you could observe?
Sir, all the terms are positive in that.
In standard AM, all the side bands are in phase with the carrier. Here, something is different, right? One out of phase term you are getting, right? The lower side band you are getting is negative, right? AC cosine of 2 pi FCT minus beta AC by 2 cos 2 pi of FC minus FM into T plus beta AC by 2 cos 2 pi of FC plus FM of T, right? So the LSB you are getting the out of phase, right? Good observation. Fine. So now let me before I take up that standard AM equation and comparing and making the difference, let me just take the Fourier transform of this equation and let me draw the spectrum for this. Okay. Then let us try to compare this with the standard AM. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I think now you all aware how to take the Fourier transform of each and every term. Na? So take the Fourier transform to equation 4 and try to write the expression in terms of frequency domain, right? Okay. So take Fourier transform of equation 4. So now for this also somebody should help. Who will help? Is any voluntary? I am asking some help.
So it'll be 1
From
by
my side. Yeah.
it'll be 1 by 2 AC.
Who is that?
Sagar, sir.
Sagar. Very good. So like that, you tell only for one term. So like that, at least I can communicate with 3 students. Okay. The first term you would like to say?
1 by 2 AC into.
Fine. So let me write first S of F, right? S of F, narrowband FM. Okay. So the first term, the Fourier transform of that is what? Yeah.
1 by 2 AC.
Huh?
1 by 2 AC into.
Fine. AC. I think something happened. Oh. Okay. AC by 2.
Delta of.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. I will just scroll up. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. First term is what the AC cosine of 2 pi FCT, na? For that, so AC by 2
into delta of F minus FC.
Yeah, del of F minus FC plus
FC.
Del of
F plus FC.
Good man, good. Okay. Yeah, I think for the second term, somebody else should take up. Yes, on a voluntary basis. What is the second term?
So minus beta FC by 4.
Yeah, who is that?
Noreen.
Noreen, very good. Yeah, minus
Beta
into AC by
4.
Yeah, how much it is? Huh?
By 4.
Yeah, very good. By 4, right? Yeah.
Of F
Yeah, del of F
minus FC plus FM.
F minus of, I can write what FC minus FM, no?
Yeah.
FC minus FM plus
del of F plus minus FM.
FC minus FM. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Fine. Yes, for the next term is a volunteer.
So beta into AC divided by 4.
Yeah, may I know who is that?
Vajwa Simran, sir.
Vadva, very good. Now you came to line. Fine. I called you a few minutes back. I didn't get response. Fine.
So, no, actually there was some disturbance in the background.
Fine, no, fine. Nice, nice. Now at least you are volunteering. No, fine. What is the term I can say? Beta?
Beta AC divided by 4.
Beta AC divided by 4.
Into delta of.
Yeah, into delta of.
F minus FC plus FM.
F minus of.
FC.
Yeah, FC plus FM. Right, then plus.
Plus delta of F plus FC plus FM.
Yeah, F plus.
FC.
Plus F. Very good. So let me call this as equation 5. Yes, is there any difficulty in writing this equation? Yes, I am asking you people, is there any difficulty in writing the Fourier transform of equation 4?
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
It is clear now, because that is what in first module, if you would have studied, because now you already studied for test and you are aware how to write, so I am getting good response, isn't it? So now let me draw the spectrum of this. I hope you all can write now parallelly along with me, right? Let us draw the spectrum. Yeah. Yeah. Even for spectrum also, I think somebody should help on their voluntary basis. Other than those who are responded now, no? Other than them.
So should we draw 3 separate or in one?
No, in one line only. In one only you can write all the things.
Okay, sir.
Okay. 3 different terms I have written it. Yeah. Those who have responded as of now, they need not. Others should take the voluntariness now. Yes, we will take it. First person. Let me write the magnitude as NBFM, that is narrow band FM of F. Yeah. I am asking voluntariness. Yes, for the first term. Yes, Sovik Roy. Sovik Roy is there.
Yes, sir.
See, I need not switch the window. After switching window, you are saying yes. It kills time now. Yeah, tell me. For the first term, how do I draw the spectrum? What is the first term, man? Sovik Roy, what is the first term? What is the first term in equation 5, man? Sovik Roy. Means he is not in with me. He has not written also, I feel. This is what it shows, right? Yes or no, man? Sovik Roy? If you don't respond, I will not give attendance, man. You have not written anything. Simply now you are saying yes. Okay, what about Anand?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the first term, man?
AC by 2
Del
of F minus FC plus del of F plus FC.
Yeah, how do I represent that in this graph? What I need to mark first?
Sir, AC by 2 you should mark, sir. Magnitude.
First, you should tell about the frequency, no? I should mark first plus FC and minus FC, right?
Yes, sir.
No, man. Then what is there at FC? What is there at plus FC?
AC.
What is there at plus FC, man?
Sir, AC by 2.
AC by 2, that is what? That is an impulse function, it is its magnitude only, right? Wait, I will. Okay, so I have impulse function, one at plus FC, right? Another one is at what, man?
Minus FC.
Minus FC. So what is its magnitude? It will be AC by 2, right? This you can write it as AC by 2 del of what, F minus FC, right? What about this one?
AC by 2 del of F minus F plus
F?
Plus FC.
F plus FC, good. Okay, the first term is over. Then what is the next term? I think who will say? Let me see their faces. Yes, Ramya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you tell me the second term?
Yes, sir. Minus beta AC by 4.
Yeah.
Del S minus FC minus.
The equation is fine. You tell me what is there at FC plus FM and FC minus FM, na? That you need to tell, right?
Yes.
In that way I am expecting. See, there is another impulse function at what? FC plus FM and
FC minus FM.
Similarly at this side. That is what? Minus FC.
Minus FC. Minus FM.
Minus FM, right? So with an amplitude of what?
Yes.
With a magnitude of?
AC by 4, sir.
That is beta, okay, into AC by 4. Then rest you can write. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Also, right? So beta into AC by 4. Fine. So similarly, I have another impulse function at what frequency? At FC minus FM. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
FM. And here it is what? Minus FC
Plus FM.
Plus FM. Yeah, even its magnitude is also what?
Beta AC by 4 only, so.
Yeah, beta into AC by 4. This is also beta into AC by 4. Yes, is this clear or do you have any doubts to ask?
No, sir.
Huh?
No doubts, sir.
No doubts. What about others? Yes, I'm asking, is this clear? This is writing
So we're
spectrum.
not considering minus because we're considering its magnitude.
No,
So
because it is magnitude now.
fine.
I've taken magnitude, I can write it on the upper side only. If I don't write this magnitude 2 lines now, then I need to write this lower side band in the opposite direction, means negative side. Yes, is that fine? Yeah, as usual, what we used to write for AM, no? In the same way, I can write this one as what? This is the upper side band, right? I can write this one is upper side band. Okay, similarly, this one, upper side band. And this one is a what? Lower side band. Lower side band, right? So, I can say this is the spectrum of the single tone narrow band FM wave. Okay, you can write this as what figure? Spectrum of narrow band FM wave for single tone modulation. For single tone modulation. Okay. Yes, is this clear? Now let us try to find out what is the transmission bandwidth required for transmitting this narrow band FM wave. Is it possible to say by looking at this spectrum, the transmission bandwidth? I think now I expect some other people to share their thoughts. Yes, on voluntary basis, what is the expression I can write for the bandwidth? On voluntary basis, I am asking those who have responded so far, they need not. Those who have not responded till now, they should take the chance. How do I write the expression for bandwidth? So many people are there, I need not name it. Come on, you should come forward to interact with me. I need not name it every time, but people should come forward on their own and they should say. Yes, quickly.
USB minus LSB.
Who is that?
Namita, sir.
Namita, good. So bandwidth, right, for transmitting narrow band FM, right? I think I can write here bandwidth of narrow band FM. I can write it as what? Upper side band minus the frequency of the lower side band, right? So which is equal to what? FC plus FM, then minus of FC minus FM. Minus of FC minus FM, right? So minus FC plus FC will get cancelled. It becomes what? Yes, it becomes what?
2 FMs.
2 FM, right? Yeah. So this is the bandwidth required for transmitting narrowband FM signal. So it is the same as that of standard AM. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now, are you aware of how to draw the phasor diagram? Phasor diagram. Yes, you people should respond. Are you aware how to draw a phasor diagram? Do you know it or not? Phasor diagram, have you heard anywhere? Yes, ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ವಲ್ಲ phasor diagram ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಾ? Have you heard anything anywhere about phasor diagram?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
If you are aware,
Yes, sir.
it is only left out. So I will not be able to take up that. I will take up in the next class. What I ask you all to do is just have a look how you can draw the phasor diagram for this narrowband FM expression and as well as the standard AM expression. Okay, whatever you people said. Is that fine? Yes, I am asking, is that fine? So tomorrow I expect
Yes, sir.
show that
Yes, sir.
show that phasor diagram.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.